There was a time that I swore I had it all. Just kept throwing lucky sevens off that wall, and I said, whoa, there was a time that I had it all. There was a time.
Which kind of backstroke do you like to do? Or the flutter kick with the arms?
Flutter kick.
I did too. That was the thing I liked.
Teacher.
They're really good.
You know how to do that?
What color hair do they have?
Brown is Miss Nancy, and gray is Miss Marie.
Gray,
For Miss Marie,
Miss Marie.
Sarah, and brown for Miss Nancy's.
Mm-hmm.
There was one toward the beginning.
Jackson, can you hold her hand on the... Gonna pick out a pumpkin, sweetheart?
Beanie Boo wants sticks.
You both just went to the first pumpkin. Does that one have a stem?
Where's Jackson? You
All right, we are all paid up. We got donuts for dessert. We got pumpkins for carving tomorrow. They make the best donuts here.
That's what the kids were saying.
But it is time to go so Mama can get the chicken in the oven. Yep, we're going back so Mama can get her chicken in the oven. Otherwise, we all starve.
Oh, not good.
Who's, this is anybody's shirt?
Just a minute.
go faster. Well, thank you, see.
There you go. This is new
That
that we made last year.
tall.
We made 3 gallons.
What's that?
And like,
Okay, good.
yeah, right.
I didn't know if you were judging or enjoying. It's kind of the same look with you sometimes.
The other interesting thing that it has, so this is empty, that would be the left barrel. Doesn't shoot, but what it does is it actually sets with the recoil. It sets a pin in there that fires the second one.
Okay, Paul.
Pull.
All right, pull.
They're tougher as they get farther away.
I let it go too long. I should have picked it earlier.
Sitting pretty high and mighty on that wall, and I said, whoa.
Kablam!
There was a time that I knew it all. Nobody knows what tomorrow may bring, and yesterday is just a faded memory.
Kablam!
Nobody ever wants to die alone, so I've got to hurry up before I go.
Oh, Jesus. You all right? Yeah. Sorry. Totally slipped out of my hand. Yep. Nice job. You broke it. You okay?
Backhand style.
My bad.
Sorry.
I think I grabbed it too quick and.
Is there the same? No, it's different. I was wondering if it's the same ratio of draw weight to size of bow, scaled up or down.
The draw weight is all in the limbs. Go for the turkey.
Well, that pretty well took care of him, didn't it?
That's the turkey
Right in the neck.
That's just about a perfect shot.
Right in the neck.
No, I mean that
This, just so you know, this never works.
No.
watch this.
I saw the leaf explode.
That's what happens.
I think I was aiming lower than I thought that time. Does that make sense? Possibly. Oh, pulled left.
He's a good guy. He's a good boy. These are all good signs. With him like turning his back on you, that means he's not tense about you. He's not regarding you as a threat. He's sort of got the message that you're all right.
There's a wheelbarrow with stuff in it.
Right. Is it full up now?
Pretty close to it.
All right. Well, you go get it full up. I'm almost done here.
All right. I don't know why the only places you work mostly is in the sun.
Gets hot.
Yeah. Why can't you work in the shade at least?
Well, you're preparing a garden. Do gardens grow better in the sun or the shade?
Sun.
Yeah. So the work happens where the growing happens. You know, it's not like industrial farming where you set out to do one task and it, like tilling or something like that, and it's okay, till the field, that's
You
a
are
week.
killing.
So on this scale you're doing so many different little things that the biggest key is to not make empty-handed trips. If you're heading one place, you look around and say, okay, what, going down to the garden to get that, or to turn the sprinkler on or something, and it's okay, well, if I'm going down that way, is there anything near me that needs to go down to the barn? So, oh yeah, that bucket. So you carry the bucket down to the barn, then you turn the sprinkler on, and then the bucket's where you need it later, rather than needing the bucket later and saying, oh, where's that bucket? And then having to go all the way up to the house to get the bucket or stuff like that. So yeah, no empty-handed trips.
But you notice the tremendous pace of flow. In fact, I thought it was flowing that direction, but Chris told me it's flowing this direction.
Well, it's weird because the ripples are going that way. Must be the wind.
Jesus. It does not at all impede him from...
Reason being?
Gives them fresh grass, so they actually do eat a fair amount of the grass. They fall over.
You won't even believe it.
These guys have more of a foraging instinct. What is it, Jackson?
I got the arrow inside the littlest ring.
Awesome.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, let's go take a look. Little by little, we kind of try and do a little more each year. Last year we raised 35 meat chickens. This year it was 55. And last year we did
He's pissed.
12 turkeys.
He killed all his friends.
Did you watch out? He's crazy. Did you see what he did to Terrence? I'm not going near that guy. But yes. Hannah's like, I feel gross, I'm gonna jump in the shower. And so I sit down, crack open the beer, and we knew that I'd actually shot the woodchuck. This is the second woodchuck of the year that I had shot, but this one I had wounded a couple days before, and I didn't know how bad, but I saw it jump when I hit it, and so I sit down. I'm like 2 sips into my beer, having just killed 55 things in that day, and Hannah comes out and she says the fucking woodchuck is limping around the 4-H garden. So I go and get the shotgun and I say, okay, 56 things gonna die today. And I came out and I shot the woodchuck.
So I've got to hurry up before I grow too old. Grow too old. Nobody knows what tomorrow may bring, and yesterday is just a faded memory. Nobody ever wants to die alone, so I've got to hurry up before I grow too old. Grow too old.
Sometime you'll have to tell me how you got from growing up in the suburbs with me
Yeah,
to this.
sort of always destined for this. I just didn't really know it.